Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Lou here of Luluslittleshop. Today I want to show you how to make these cute little bows. Actually, you can make this into any size you want depending on the width of the ribbon you use. This size is perfect for the gingerbread person. It's part of my Gingerbread Cookies pattern pack. And you can put it onto any little ornament or gift tag. Super cute and versatile. Like that. So for these little bows I used, this is 3/8 inch wide ribbon. You can use wider ribbon and a longer length for a bigger bow. So for the 3/8 inch wide ribbons, I'm using an 8-inch long piece. You'll need to work with at least 8 inches. Then we're going to trim off the extra tails. Anything shorter is going to be very difficult to hold on to. Okay, so this ribbon has the same pattern, the same design on the front and the back. We're going to hold one end close to the end with our left hand and then bring the long tail down towards us and make a small loop. Hold on to both layers with your left hand. Pinch on both layers to make the loop. Then we're going to make another loop with our long tail. We're going to loop around to the left and then behind. And then here we're going to hold on to 3 layers. Okay, and then we're almost done. We're going to hold on to what's remaining and push up into another loop. Hold both layers with our right hand and push that through this loop in the middle. Okay, so that's our bow. Now we're going to adjust and tighten it into a knot. And we're going to do that by holding onto these 2 tails down here and then slowly pull on the back side of this left loop and the front side of this right loop. And I'm going to make these 2 loops kind of small, about the same size as here, maybe 1/2 inch long. That's pretty good. Now we're going to push down up here on the top of the loops to puff them out. Perfect. Now we're going to trim off these extra tails, the extra length. You could either trim them at a diagonal this way, or you could do like a V shape and make a fishtail. And the reason we don't go straight across is because if you do that, then these fibers in the ribbon will fray. So we're going to trim at a diagonal or into a fishtail shape. So I'm going to do a fishtail. We're going to fold the ribbon in half lengthwise and then trim. And now we're done with our little bow. And this is actually the back side. So if you turn it over, you'll see that this center knot is prettier on this other side. So we're going to have this face out and attach this bow to our little gingerbread person by applying a little dab of gel super glue to the back side. Tiny little dab. And then we're just going to place it right on his neck and hold for about 10 seconds or so. Okay, and there he is, all dressed up for the holidays. Isn't he cute? So next week or so, I'll have another video out showing you how to make this little gingerbread person. The complete PDF is in my Etsy shop, but I feel like some of these stitches are a little bit tricky to make. So stay tuned for that video. And let me know in the comments if this DIY little bow was helpful to you and what else you'd like to see me make. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!